Welcome to the 10 Minutes Gold Mine, where every book gives you a treasure of knowledge in just 10 minutes. What's the secret to financial freedom that most people miss? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly climb out of debt, achieve financial stability, and even build wealth, while others struggle to make ends meet despite their best efforts? Dave Ramsey's The Total Money Makeover offers a comprehensive plan that gives a clear answer. It's not about earning more money, but about changing your approach to spending, saving, and investing in a way that aligns with proven principles for long-term financial health. But why is it that so many financial experts and gurus don't seem to provide a practical step-by-step plan that works for the average person? Why do most people still end up living paycheck to paycheck, despite all the information available to them? Let's dive into the life-changing methods that Ramsey teaches, and why they work where other advice fails. The foundation of financial freedom. Imagine being debt-free, having an emergency fund that covers your expenses for months, and knowing that you have control over your money rather than the other way around. In the Total Money Makeover, Dave Ramsey outlines the steps necessary to achieve this level of financial security, emphasizing that anyone can transform their financial life with a clear, actionable strategy. The key idea behind Ramsey's approach is that financial freedom isn't a result of earning more, but rather controlling how you manage what you already have. Through his 6-step plan, Ramsey breaks down the path to financial success in a way that's accessible for everyone, no matter their income level, debts, or financial goals. Baby steps to success. The journey toward financial freedom begins with what Ramsey calls baby steps. These steps serve as the backbone of the entire Total Money Makeover approach, and each one is designed to build on the one before it, slowly and steadily moving you toward your goal. The beauty of the baby steps is that they're simple and focused. There's no need to worry about investing or complex financial strategies until you've laid the right groundwork. The first step in Ramsey's plan is to save $1,000 for a starter emergency fund. This fund is your safety net, the cushion that allows you to tackle life's unexpected events without having to rely on credit cards or loans. The second step is to pay off all non-mortgage debt using the debt snowball method, which involves paying off your smallest debts first and building momentum as you work your way up to larger debts. This method is powerful because it focuses on quick wins. By eliminating smaller debts first, you experience a sense of accomplishment that motivates you to keep going. It's about creating the momentum that fuels your journey toward financial independence. The debt snowball method. Why it works. The debt snowball method is one of the most iconic aspects of Dave Ramsey's teachings. The basic idea is simple. List all your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of the interest rate. Start by paying off the smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on the others. Once that debt is paid off, take the money you were using to pay it off and apply it to the next smallest debt. As you eliminate each debt, your snowball grows, allowing you to tackle larger and larger amounts with increasing speed. You might be wondering, if this method doesn't prioritize paying off high-interest debt first, does it actually make the most financial sense? Isn't it smarter to focus on paying off high-interest debts first to minimize the amount you pay in interest? The answer lies in the psychological power of the debt snowball. By paying off smaller debts first, you build confidence and gain motivation to tackle the bigger, more difficult debts. In other words, it's not just about the numbers, it's about your mindset. Saving and investing for your future. Once you've paid off your debts, the next step is to build a larger emergency fund, 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This ensures that you are prepared for any unforeseen circumstances, like job loss or medical emergencies. Having this financial cushion will help you avoid falling back into debt, and it will give you peace of mind knowing that you can weather financial storms. But after securing your emergency fund, what comes next? The next major milestone in Ramsey's plan is saving for retirement and investing in long-term wealth-building strategies. This is where things get exciting, as Ramsey outlines how you can start using your income to build wealth that will support your future goals and dreams. Ramsey suggests that you begin by investing 15% of your income into retirement accounts, such as a 401k or Roth IRA. This is a solid strategy for securing your future without having to worry about the volatility of the stock market or getting too involved in complex investment strategies. Ramsey believes in steady, consistent contributions to retirement accounts that will grow over time through the power of compound interest. The power of financial freedom. Dave Ramsey's plan isn't just about getting out of debt or saving money. It's about creating the financial freedom to pursue your dreams and goals without the burden of financial stress. Once you've completed the baby steps and have invested for retirement, the next phase of Ramsey's strategy is about paying off your mortgage early and building even more wealth through investing in real estate, stocks, and other assets. At this point, many people find themselves feeling a sense of liberation. They no longer have to worry about monthly bills or living paycheck to paycheck. They have the ability to make choices based on their desires, not their financial constraints. The ultimate goal of the Total Money Makeover is to reach a point where you can live generously, giving back to others and investing in causes you believe in, all while living a life that aligns with your values. Financial peace. The end goal. The ultimate reward of completing the Total Money Makeover is financial peace. It's the sense of calm that comes with knowing you're in control of your money and your future. Financial peace means having the ability to live within your means, make wise decisions about money, and have the freedom to enjoy life without constantly worrying about debt or financial crises. Ramsey argues that financial peace comes from living according to your values, not just accumulating wealth for wealth's sake. It's about aligning your financial goals with your personal goals, and using money as a tool to live a life that brings you joy and fulfillment. But can financial peace truly be attained by everyone? How do you maintain it once you've achieved it? Let's look into the challenges that might arise, even after you've completed the baby steps. The challenges of maintaining financial freedom, even after following the Total Money Makeover plan and achieving financial freedom. Many people still face challenges. For instance, lifestyle inflation can creep in, where increased income leads to increased spending on unnecessary luxuries. This can undo the hard work you've done to stay debt-free and live within your means. Moreover, life circumstances change, and you might face unexpected financial challenges that threaten your peace. Health issues, job loss, or economic downturns can create stress. In these moments, it's crucial to rely on the habits and principles that got you to financial peace in the first place. The key is consistency, staying committed to your financial goals, even when life throws curveballs. The importance of lifelong learning. Dave Ramsey's The Total Money Makeover is a roadmap to financial success, but the journey doesn't stop once you've completed the baby steps. It's about continuous growth, educating yourself on new financial opportunities, and staying disciplined in your approach to money. The principles Ramsey teaches are timeless, but the financial landscape changes over time. That's why lifelong learning is key to long-term financial freedom. Incorporating habits like reading books on personal finance, attending financial seminars, or seeking advice from trusted mentors can help you stay ahead of the curve. As you continue to learn and grow, you'll find new opportunities for wealth building and personal development. Conclusion: small steps, big rewards. In the Total Money Makeover, Dave Ramsey offers a practical, no-nonsense approach to financial success. By following the baby steps and making intentional, small changes to your financial habits, you can achieve lasting wealth and financial freedom. It's not about making huge sacrifices or taking on massive risks. It's about making smart decisions, staying disciplined, and being consistent. So what small steps can you take today to start building your financial future? That's it for today's 10 Minutes Gold Mine. If you find value in this, don't forget to like and subscribe. We have new videos each day. Lastly, if you have any book in mind that you want to listen to, feel free to type the name in the comments. See you in the next one.